yeah, this is Ina again. Today I'm going to show you how to make the sweet dessert, Thai sweet dessert pudding things, And I'm gonna show you how to make that. Thai they call hong wan, nah. But let's see how it look, okay? And nhớ trong một show nói cho Ina giờ lộc khen nhiều ấy cho nó vàng cú này cho nó đi nó chỉ là tao nó cú là tao cho nó những nhân đi sẽ tới mà là ấy nhưng mà cho sẽ rồi đi chạp còn cá rồi nó thế cho chúng đi tôi sẽ này chị make sure you if you like what I do nè đi nhà của cho show nó đi sai này chị subscribe to channel na Ina's Creations and ni thế li tao cho video ya lo sai tầm đi na về ocho na okay je wo okay về cho nó vô bánh mỏng lột xí cho nó vô bánh cọt. Okay, this is tapioca, and this is sticky rice flour. I don't use much because we're just going to use to make those little balls, so I don't use much. You want to use some little coconut, mix it with water, and then add into the rice flour. Okay, nếu mà cho nó này, cho lòng mù tối không biết mình mét gì, cho mù sơn là lòng tối vậy chứ. You want to then keep adding until there's no measurement because it depends how much flour that you want to put it in, and you want to be able to squeeze and make sure you massage and make into a little round tiny dough, whatever you say. Okay, nana chị anh đi qua tàu đi nằm ăn đi xe đi qua rồi hả? Okay, tại vì mà bây giờ chúng nó tụi nó chỉ là cho họ cũng lớn là tới đó thì cũng trên nó thích chỉ là ruộng. Okay, so this thing is going to be it's up to you. You can see you're doing one by one. This is steamed taro root and tapioca powder. tao đi nọ ra chỉ có hao á cho nó chỉ cho trứng lẩu. Okay, this is sticky rice. Okay, see when you put in here, and everything is in the bottom. Everything is in the bottom right now. Okay, so when you see that swing to the top, that means it's almost ready. Coconut, the green thing, that is the green juice, the pandan chicken juice.
I love the texture of the bubbles, and then the flavor is amazing. It's not too sweet, but it's so good. I think I would like to serve this as a dessert for Christmas. It's really good.